within that time, and no one was understanding that there are multiple jobs being run on the CPU, and it was an illusion that every user was thinking that he or she is the alone owner or the main user to be serviced or be serviced by the CPU. Then there is another concept known as multitasking. And in multitasking, we mean that the same user, the one user, performs multiple tasks on the computer. So for example, you as the user of personal computer perform multiple tasks. For example, you are opening the web browser to explore the internet. You are using Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, or some other software, application software. So you are giving multiple jobs, and each job could be converted into multiple tasks, and all of the tasks belong to the same user. So in multi-programming, we were concerned that there are multiple users and there one or more jobs are being performed or processed by the CPU. And in multitasking, we are concerned that there is only one user and that user is performing multiple tasks. And in today's computer, multi-programming is used in single user and as well as multiple users. So in both ways, we can implement the multi-programming. So if we summarize today's module, we have learned some very basic concepts of operating system known as real-time processing, starting from interactive processing, and then time sharing, multi-programming, and multitasking.